Thank you for watching, and in this video I am going to explain how you can add bill of materials into your assembly SolidWorks drawing. So right now, as you can see, I have a assembly drawing here, but if I want to add a bill of materials, so for that I should have a exploded view. So what I can do is, right now as you can see, I have a isometric view here, so I can just Control C, I can just copy this and then I can paste it anywhere in the assembly. So this isometric view, and then what I can do is I can just draw a exploded view. So if I'm gonna select this view, isometric view, and then you can see into the feature manager there is an option like show in exploded. So what I can do is I can just check this. So in that way what I can do is I can just have an exploded view of this, and then I'm just gonna move it wherever I want. So the purpose of having a exploded view is like, in that way we can explain to the guys who are gonna combine all these parts, so they are gonna know like how they need to combine and how they are gonna make the final product. So that's why it's helped them a lot. So that's why we always try to add exploded view into our assembly drawings. So as I want to add a bill of material, so what I would do is I would just select this view, and then I'm gonna go here into the top menu, into the insert, and then into the tables, and then into the tables you can see there is an option for bill of materials. So in that way I'm just gonna move into the bill of materials option, and then you can see there is an option like what kind of table template I want to have. If you have a template you can choose, or you want a BOM type, top level, or part only, or indented. So you can choose like if you want to have only parts or if you want to have top level only, so it's up to you. And then how many number of items you want in one table, and what is the increment, and these kind of things if you want, and if you want to change the border size and these things. So I would like to go with the default, so I'm going to click the green check mark. So as you can see, and then with my cursor, like there could be a bill of table is attached, so wherever I'm gonna move or wherever I want to insert the bill of material, so I can insert. Suppose I want to insert my bill of material here, and then I'm just gonna zoom in for a bit. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I'm gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you. So you can see like these are part which we have used into our assembly. So these are the item numbers, these are the part numbers, and these are the quantity numbers. As you can see, we have this battery cells, we have used 4, so that's why like here the quantity is 4. So another thing, like there is no description right now here, because like if you want to add this description, what you can do is you can go one by one into all these parts, and then you can go into the custom properties, and then you can add your description. Okay, so if you want to add some other information, so what you can do is you can add another column here. So before that I would like to reduce the size, and then what you can do is you can just bring your cursor onto the first row, and then you can right click anywhere, and then you can see you can go into the insert option, and then you would have two different options. The first one is column right or column left. So if I want to insert a column on the right, so I'm gonna go into the column right. So in that way I can add my column here, and then you can see like if you, what kind of column do you want? Do you want something from the custom properties, or do you want some equations or item numbers or part or anything? So let's say like I want to bring some information from the custom properties, and then I need to choose what kind of property I want. So I can choose like I can choose revision somewhere, or I can choose the short date. So like it's gonna mention at what date these parts are made. So in that way we can add these dates, or if you want to add some kind of other information, so what you can do is you can just go into the custom properties, and then you can just add your links to the custom properties. So you would find all those things here. Or if you want to add the description, so you can go into the parts one by one, and then you can go into the custom properties, and then you can add the description. So in this way we can add bill of materials to our SolidWorks assembly drawing. So in the next video I'm gonna talk about how we can add some balloons, or how we can add some other informations onto assembly drawing. So in that way it could be most readable assembly, and for the one who is gonna read that, this could be really easy to understand our assembly. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you.